Welcome back to my channel. It's Mia here, your favorite Chihuahua Papillon rescue turned adventurer. Last time, we wrapped up our stay at a tiny home in New Hampshire. Now, we're off to explore Maine, where the beauty is absolutely magical. Our first stop, a vibrant farmer's market, followed by a stroll along Orchard Beach.
Someone's taking care of our stuff because she doesn't want to go in the water. There she is. Good girl.
The boardwalk was bustling, and the ocean breeze, perfection.
Mija, I see you. Mija, good girl.
Mom even made a new friend.
Go away. Let me eat my ribs and peas.
A seagull who seemed pretty interested in her snacks. Of course, if I was there, I would have taken care of that bird. Maine's coast is famous for a reason. We soaked up the lush greenery of spring and made our way through charming coastal towns, indulged in slowness, stretching our creativity. We stopped in small towns and cities like Bar Harbor and Rockland, where we grabbed a sweet treat at Rock City Coffee. This co-op has been roasting small batch coffee since 1999. Mom's wheels began turning when she saw this antique store for sale. We had to drive by and check it out, if only to daydream. We chatted up the current owner, and he recommended an overlook that we just couldn't miss. We continued our road trip along Maine's Route 1. Their mom and I posed for a photo with a panoramic view of Camden, nestled along the coast. You know, my mom, Lydia, loves horses. So when we stumbled upon Wildwood Stables in Acadia National Park, she had to take the carriage ride, while I napped in the car. She went on a tour of the historic Rockefeller Bridges by horse-drawn carriage.
So those two in that center right there, those are Morgans, and they're like what you would see the Rockefellers using. Or people in smaller carriages as well.
Right now, I'm okay with it. Oh my god, I love you. Okay, these are my favorites. Oh, I'll leave you alone. And this one's Diesel. Hi, Turbo. You were just doing your own thing and making your own rules. I respect that. Good for you. Okay, bye.
They are pretty majestic, aren't they? Did I mention how beautiful Maine is? We made many stops to explore and take photos. Mom practiced her watercoloring, and I kept a watchful eye. We had a few lazy mornings after car camping near a roundabout in Portland. It felt very safe. We were not the only ones there. We found lovely places to car camp through an app called iOverlander. These photos just does not do the night sky justice. Check out our rig setup. Since we had permission to stay from the dock master, Mom was able to focus on work while I enjoyed the breeze. Of course, no trip to Maine is complete without a lobster roll and a blueberry pie. We kept driving along the coast, stopping at a lighthouse, listening to the waves crash. The vibes were just right. I love the rainy weather. We stopped every few steps to admire the moss. Look, nature's mossy staircase. There's something healing about water. And the water along Maine's coastline has a special kind of magic. Maine is definitely our favorite state so far. I'm excited to see it in a different season someday. East Coast, we're not done with you yet. Stick around for our next episode. Can you guess where we will go next?